Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we have some motion sensor night lights that uses 120 lumens. Alright, so right here we have some LED night lights. This is the 4-pack. So these are high lumen night lights, luminance up to 120 lumens to meet your brightening needs for in the bedroom, the bathroom, the garage, the kitchen. So with this one, the max lumens is 120. The lowest is 1 lumen. They go up by 1 lumen, 20 lumens, 55 lumens, 85 lumens, and 120. So this is a sense of motion sensor. So it does up to 13 feet. So the sensors are motion sensor, light sensor. You've got 3 modes. You've got on, off, and auto. You have the adjustable lighting up to 5 levels. So you got the off, you got the on, and then the auto, which auto is when the motion is detected in the darkness, and the auto off, 90 seconds of inactivity. So in this box you do get 4 of them. So here's all the 4. So with the soft warm light and the highest illuminance up to 120 makes it brighter than the 80 lumens of normal lighting. So the bright LEDs makes it more warm and comfortable. It does have a motion sensor that is up to 13 feet away, including a 120-degree direction zone. It will shut off after 90 seconds of no activity. So right here you have a user manual. This basically just tells you how to set it on, off, and auto. So you've got your description, the buttons, how to set it on auto, specifications, and your FCC information, customer service. So this one does come with a 4-pack. It's combined with superior VO fire resistant ABS material and overcurrent protection technology, so you don't have to worry about them over burning out. So now let's go ahead and test them. So right here I have them on. This is my living room hallway. So it's really dark here, but you can see with this night light it is very bright. And once I leave this area, it will shut off after 90 seconds. And this only uses 1.75 kilowatts a year if it's worked for 12 hours a day. So this is a very good energy sufficient nightlight. If you like night lights and you want to have the capability of doing the auto, this is the one to definitely check out.